ओम गण गणपते नमो नमः श्री सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः अष्ट विनायक नमो नमः Ganpati Bappa Moria. Ganesh is the most beloved deity in Hindus. The appearance of Ganesh is so charming and attractive that the cute little chubby boy like body with an elephant head has been inspiring devotion and love in the hearts of millions down the history. A very hearty morning to one and all present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 8 presenting today's morning assembly, and I wish you all a very happy and blessed Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi, the festival dedicated to Lord Ganesha, is one of the biggest festivals celebrated in India. The day is observed as the birthday of Lord Ganesha. It is also known as Vinayak Chaturthi. It is an 11 days long festival, and it is believed that in these 10 days Lord Ganesha graces the earth and brings happiness, wisdom and prosperity for his devotees. My dear friends, we have gathered here to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi, and it's time to welcome Lord Ganesha with all the festive fervor. Let us welcome Lord Ganesha and seek his blessings. Let us pray to God. So, everybody join your hands and close your eyes, start prayer. After prayer, now I would like to invite Viren from class 7 to share a famous shlok dedicated to Lord Ganesha. Good morning everyone, my name is Viren. I would like to present a shlok dedicated to Lord Ganesha. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. And the meaning of this shlok is, O Lord, with the twisted trunk, with the effulgence of a billion suns, always remove the obstacles when I am on an auspicious undertaking. Vakratunda Mahakaya is one of the most popular Ganesh mantras. It describes Lord Ganesha as one with a curved trunk and a mighty body, who has the magnificence of a million suns. Shri Vakratunda Mahakaya is one of the most loved prayers of Lord Ganesha. We salute the Supreme Lord Ganesha of the curved trunk, whose radiance is like a million suns. May he bless all our endeavors and remove obstacles from our path. Thank you to all of you. Thank you so much, Viren. The more words you know, the more clearly and powerfully you will think, and the more ideas you will invite into your mind. Dear friends, we can't build up a vocabulary if we never meet any new words. For word of the day, I would like to invite Sarfaraz from class 8. Good morning everyone, my name is Sarfaraz. Word of the day is divine, and the meaning of divine is related to God or like a God. Synonym of divine is spiritual, heavenly, godlike, and antonym of this word is inglorious, earthly and subhuman. I am using this word in a sentence. In the Christian tradition, the world exists only as an act of divine favor. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day. Thank you so much, Sarfaraz, for enhancing our vocabulary. Lord Ganesha is the remover of obstacles, is also revered outside India. Let us know some really interesting facts about Ganesh Chaturthi that shall leave us awestruck. And for this, I would like to invite Ishita from class 8. Good morning everyone, my name is Ishita. I brought some interesting facts related to Ganesh Chaturthi. First is, the first Ganesh Chaturthi celebration dates back to the era of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the founder of the Maratha Empire. Second, in the year 1893, freedom fighter Bal Gangadhar Tilak transformed the festival from a private celebration to a grand public event to unite India against the British. Third, Lord Ganesha is not only worshipped across India, in fact, his blessings travel all the way across the boundaries of India to countries like Thailand, Cambodia, Japan, and even Afghanistan. Fourth, Lord Ganesha is a deity who is also considered as the god of intelligence. It is believed that Lord Ganpati was the family deity of the Peshwas. Thank you to all of you. Thank you so much, Ishita, for these facts. Although Ganesha has many attributes, he is readily identified by his elephant head. This festival commemorates the birth of Lord Ganesha, who is also known as the god of wealth, sciences, knowledge, wisdom, and prosperity. Let us know more about Lord Ganesha and this festival. I would like to invite Param from class 8th to deliver a speech on this auspicious occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. Thank you so much, Param. And after national anthem, may Lord Ganesha keep enlightening our lives and bless us always. And again, I wish you all a very happy Vinayak Chaturthi. Here we end today's morning assembly. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.